we are testing our components. That's a bimetal. It is closed right now. We're going to heat it by applying some steam, and you will see it go to open. And we're checking the thermistor. All is working. Now we're going to be checking the board and the heater. This unit was frozen over. If all checks, heater is good. If all that checks out well, then you have either clogged drain, door seals, or someone left the door open, or you might have a bad fan. Like and subscribe. You'll have to go into diagnostic and you go to number 6, and that will tell you if your heater is coming on. Heater is working. That's your fan.